Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be sending the Arrma Fire team. I did put the stock tires back on and we are in a pretty different location, as you guys remember this spot. I just wanted to bring this one just right here just to try it out. And yes, it did just rain earlier, so hopefully we don't get this one too muddy. So yeah, alright, let's go. Oh, big splash. Oh. Oh. On the water it is fun to play, but it's just hella messy after. Oh, gonna try some good. Oh, please. There you go. Come on, flip. Oh! Yes. Ah, oh my god, this is hella muddy. Alright, I think I hit the death jump already. Nice. Oh. Oh, that had to bend the chassis, guys. Oh yeah, something for sure happened. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but yeah. Oh crap. Alright, we are gonna get a larger run up now. Alright, here we go. Oh! Yeah, the sun keeps getting there. Oh. Guys, we're so close to hit. I think it's 500, guys. Come on. Oh! Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. The fire team is a beast, but guys, this thing takes a beating. Hopefully survive. It looks like it's good. It's in good condition. How, guys? How? Oh my god, wait, hold up. Oh my god, it's smoking, guys. It's smoking. I don't know.
I don't know. Oh yeah. Shit.
Just turn it off just to be safe. Because I don't want to cause a fire or nothing. But yeah. Oh, and then the plug was coming unplugged too. Oh, no. Oh, guys. I think we might have killed the motor. Okay, I think we're gonna leave it to cool down. I'll put you guys back on when it's cool down or when something goes up. I don't know. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe. So close at 500, and it's been Rapid RC, and I'm out. Peace.